Hi guys, my name's Maizy.
Hi, and I'm Tara. We're both part of the team here at Barnett Orthodontics.
We want to talk to you today a little bit about how to brush and floss with braces. So sometimes it might be a little bit more difficult because you have so much in your mouth to worry about. But you want to make sure that you really focus on brushing in small circular motions on your gum tissue as well as your tooth. You're going to want to do that because when you hit that stuff, you're going to hit everything above your brackets as well as everything on your brackets. You can do the same thing to the bottom and hit the gum tissue as well. So now we're going to show you a little bit more up close and personal on how to brush and floss with braces.
So brushing with braces is a lot different than brushing without braces. You want to make sure that you're getting above the brackets just like this to get all what's in between and on top of the brackets, and then getting below the brackets. Make sure you get all that nasty stuff out. And you really want to make sure, as Maizy said earlier, you're brushing around the gum tissue really good. We see a lot of plaque buildup on kids because they're forgetting to brush above the brackets and around their gums, and especially on the bottom down here. Get below the brackets down there really good and make sure you get all that plaque out. Okay, so this is an interproximal brush. Looks just like this. We also refer to this as a Christmas tree brush here in the office because it looks like a Christmas tree. You can use this after you're done brushing to help get into those little hard to reach spots in between your brackets. Or you can also use this if you don't have time to brush after you're done eating lunch or something like that. You don't have to use toothpaste with it. You can just get it wet and get any extra food out. And then whenever you're done, make sure you clean it off, put the cap back on it, and you'll be good to go. So I will show you up close how this works. So you'll want to go at an angle like this with your interproximal brush. You don't want to come up like this because you could poke your gums and cause some irritation. You could also bend your interproximal brush like this for easier access if you think that's best for you. Okay, so there are a few different flossing options when it comes to braces because you now have that wire that's in the way. The first option that I'm going to show you is what's called a floss threader. It looks just like this. It has a little hole that you can thread the floss through, and I will show you how to use that in just 1 second. There is also what's called an orthodontic floss pick. This isn't a normal one that you might have seen other people use without braces. It's just a little bit thinner on this one side, so that way it fits behind the wire. And I will show you how to use these up close now. So back to the first option, the floss threader. You'll take your piece of floss and the threader, and you will thread it through like so. And you'll just put a small amount through. And you start with at the top. Of course, again, you don't want to go up because you could irritate your gums. Point down. And you grab your other side of the floss and you'll pull through like that, and then you can floss underneath your wire how you normally would. So this is the orthodontic floss pick. This is another option for flossing. It's kind of convenient because it's all in one. You don't have to worry about threading floss through anything. So this is how it works. You can just kind of push up and see how it fits perfectly behind the wire, like so. And you can just floss how you normally would. And then make sure you rinse after each use to clean it off because you don't want to put bacteria from this space into this space. So now you know how to brush and floss properly with braces. We want to make sure that you're brushing your teeth at least twice a day, preferably 3 times a day if you can after lunch, and flossing as well.
And if you guys have any questions at all, you can always give us a call at this number right here. We are always available to help you guys day and night. And we look forward to seeing you back in our next video. Bye, guys.